Hello and welcome to the ScrapbookPal YouTube channel. This is Colleen Beamish from Humor Bean Cards, and today I am making a clean and simple card featuring the Fawn Build-a-Toolbox die set, as well as the Henry's Build-a-Sentiment Toolbox stamp set. So I'm keeping today's card very clean and simple. I'm thinking I will be giving this card to my brother-in-law for his first Father's Day because it has the perfect sentiment. So let's go ahead and get into it. I went ahead and die cut out all of the tools in the die set. I'm not actually going to be using the toolbox itself today, but you could definitely make this card the same exact way and add in the toolbox. I'm just layering together a couple of the pieces, so a lot of the tools have a handle that is a different color. So for the hammer, I cut the main piece out of kind of like a chrome metallic paper and then added a brown handle for like a wooden handle of the hammer. And then I use another shade of silver cardstock that's slightly more metallic. I would still say it's a matte metallic, but I wanted to add a little bit of variety with the silver so it wasn't all just one tone. And then I used just various colors of cardstock from my stash. I love die sets like this because it definitely has me going into my stash of scraps and using some of those up. So that's a big win for me. So I do all the tools here. There's 5 different items: screwdriver, the hammer, a wrench, pliers, and then a ruler. And then instead of popping these up on my card and trying to fiddle around with tiny pieces of foam tape, I die cut them out of some heavyweight white cardstock, and then I'm just going to layer the more colorful pieces on top of that white cardstock. Now, if you wanted to really pop it up, you could die cut out like 3 or 4 layers of white cardstock. I just did one and glued them onto my card front, but the more layers you cut out, obviously the more dimension you're going to have. This also made the pieces a little less flexible and added some structure to them, so that was also useful. So even if you weren't popping them up, if you're using various thicknesses of cardstock, I would put another layer of cardstock underneath. And now I'm just gluing these all to my card base. So this is an A2 card base, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 of heavyweight white cardstock. And I didn't mention earlier that the liquid glue I'm using, it's the Barely Arts liquid glue, and that has that detail tip to it, so that makes it very easy to just get a little bit of glue on all these smaller pieces that I'm gluing down. Something else I should mention is that all of the products I'm using in today's video are linked down in the description below, so be sure to check that out. So once I have all of my pieces glued down onto my card base, I'm just going to stamp down my sentiment. And that sentiment is "You're nailing it," which is perfect for a first Father's Day. And I just used some Gina Amalgam black ink for that. And that is my card for today. Like I said, keeping it clean and simple. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the ScrapbookPal YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Bye.